taping the edges and removing the protective liner. Want to make smart film installation a breeze? All it takes is a little prep work. In this video, we'll show you a simple insider trick to make peeling off the protective liner effortless. Let's get started. Start at the top edge of your smart film. Pick a corner and gently peel back a small bit of the protective liner. Now, here's the pro tip. Take a piece of Scotch tape and stick it to this peeled back corner. Fold the tape over on itself so it's not sticky on the outside. Think of it as making a little handle. Do the same thing on the other top corner. Now you have two tape handles, one on each side. Next, peel back about 2 inches of the liner from the top edge and secure it with a few pieces of masking tape to avoid it sticking back to the film. And there you have it. Your smart film is prepped and ready for a smooth installation. These tape handles will let you easily pull down the liner as you go, keeping everything clean and tidy. Remember, clean installation means crystal clear smart film. Happy installing!